Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Mangla, dermatologist from Skin Mantra. Nowadays, a lot of people are willing to undergo treatments to improve the tone and texture of their skin, to improve the radiance of the skin, reduce the pigmentation and patchiness. They are looking for the treatments which can give them good skin lightening and brightening effects with no downtime and can give them quick results. So, in today's video, I'll be discussing about the laser carbon facial and I'll be demonstrating the procedure as well, so kindly watch the video till the end. So let's begin with what is laser carbon facial. It's a revolutionary, non-invasive cosmetic treatment with virtually no downtime which helps to rejuvenate the skin. Now it gently removes the top layer of the skin, leaving a vibrant glow with a healthy complexion. Now it is known by different names like black doll carbon facial, China doll carbon facial, charcoal facial and Hollywood peel. It is neither a peel nor a facial, but it is a treatment that needs a series of sessions to give you desired results. So what is the difference between a chemical peel and a laser carbon peel? Laser carbon peel uses heat instead of chemicals to give you desired results. Laser carbon peel has no downtime, and patients with sensitive skin or those having eczema, they experience less irritation with the laser peel compared to the normal peels. So let me demonstrate the procedure first and then we'll discuss further. In this procedure, face is cleansed with a gentle cleanser. Then a layer of liquid carbon is applied to your face or body, allowing it to penetrate deeply into your pores and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. The carbon bonds with any debris that might be present like dead skin cells, contaminants and oil. We'll then pass a laser across the surface of the skin. Because the laser light is super attached to the carbon particles, its energy and heat is absorbed by the carbon and destroy the particles in your pores. Light from the laser is attracted to the carbon absorbs the light energy, the reaction causes a mini explosion. This results in two reactions. On the surface of the skin, as the explosion occurs, the carbon is vaporized along with the dirt, oil and dead cells, and this peels the skin and brightens the skin. Second, the explosion pushes the heat energy deep into the layers of the skin where elastin and collagen are activated and new cells are produced. This causes a tightening of the pores and tones the skin. During the procedure, there is very little discomfort and it feels like a slight pinch. Then we apply a mask to soothe the skin, and then a moisturizer or the growth factors are applied and a sunscreen is applied, and the patient can go for their normal activities. So what are the benefits of the laser carbon facial? It can be done in any age group above 18 years of age to reduce the pigmentation, reduce patchiness, reduce oiliness on the face, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve tone and texture of the skin and improve the radiance of the skin. And the best part is that it has absolutely no downtime, so you can resume your normal activities immediately after the procedure. So what are the pre and post care instructions for this treatment? There is no special care required before the treatment, but after the treatment, avoid excessive sweating for at least 48 hours, avoid application of any active skincare product for 48 hours, and use your sunscreen regularly with minimum SPF of 30. Now, approximately 6 to 8 sessions are required 2 to 3 weeks apart to give you desired results, but you can appreciate your results from the very first session. So if you are looking for a treatment which can give you instant skin lightening and brightening effect and with no downtime, then you can definitely opt for this procedure. I hope the video will be useful to you and I appreciate you all for watching the video. Thank you so much.